down to 1 minute left to go in the King penalty. We're in the third period. Bob Miller with Jim Fox. Dan Moriarty with us tonight. Patrick O'Neill. Puck fired in, and a hard check over in front of the King bench by Doughty.
And Drew Doughty, I talked about controlling gaps. Well, Beauchemin thinks he has time. Wow, just as he dumps it in. We've seen that so many times this year from Drew Doughty. And then Beauchemin tries to take a run at Doughty, but can't get a beat on him. You can see with the referee right there, just made sure he didn't go too far out of his way and take a penalty.